Today we're going to show you how to change a brake light bulb in this Honda Civic. This is an 8th gen Civic, so 2006 through 2011, but it's similar in all years.
You have to get access to the back side of the tail light, and to do that you need to remove a little bit of your trunk liner back here. There's a couple of plastic retainers here that you can use a flathead screwdriver and just unscrew. Once they start to unscrew, get your fingernail kind of underneath of it to pull out on it while you're unscrewing it, and it will come out all the way. You'll have to remove both of these. Now we're just going to pull this cloth material, this liner, out of here. The little plastic retainer parts will come out. Just pull it back. Now you'll have access to the wiring back here and where the light bulbs go. Here's a better view of the light bulb sockets and the wiring. The brake light is the one on the top here. So just find your connector and press it on this tab and it will release the connector. Now you just grab the whole thing and rotate it counterclockwise. It'll click and then the whole thing will pull out. So this is my bad light bulb. You can tell it's bad, it's all black there. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this bulb. Replacement brake light bulbs are 7443 bulbs. I'll put a link to this in the description of this video. To replace it, you simply pull the bulb out of the socket, straight out. If for some reason you have some corrosion, just clean it out as best you can. If it's too far gone, you can probably buy a replacement bulb socket like this, but mine's in good shape, it's just the bulb. So it doesn't matter which direction you put this bulb in, just place it in there and press it all the way in. And now we're gonna go ahead and just reinstall this. We'll just go ahead and reinstall the bulb into its hole. It'll fit in there, you'll feel it fit into the grooves it goes in, and then just rotate it clockwise about a quarter of a turn and it will click in. Now it's in there good. Now you can just reinsert your connector until it clicks into place. It can only fit on one direction. And that should be it. To reinstall it, go ahead and install the base part of the clip into the hole here, the retaining pin that is, in both of the holes. And then put the threaded part of the pin in there. You can just push it in if you want, or screw it down with a screwdriver. That's it.
Now let's test out the brake light and make sure it works. Once again, thanks for watching The Repair Nut. Like this video and follow for more useful maintenance tips. Here's a link to subscribe and a couple more videos you might like.